Friends, the Rotary Club of Nagpur has an enviable legacy, not only amongst all Rotary clubs in Rotary International District 3030, but also amongst Rotary clubs across India. Our club was chartered before independence in 1944 with 50 charter members, of whom 8 were Britons and the rest drawn from amongst the elite of the city. We have continued to be the foremost and premier club of the city and the district ever since. Our membership peaked at about 370 members in 2015-16, and we are still the largest club in the district with about 240 active members at present. Over this period, the club has provided 9 district governors in the 76 years of its existence. Over the years, the Rotary Club of Nagpur has been involved in hundreds of social service projects, both medical and non-medical, serving the poor and the needy. We have also been very active in the areas of education and youth development through our several youth development programs, which include providing scholarships to the needy, self-improvement programs, and sending children on international exchange programs. There are several legacy projects which the club carries out every year. To mention just a few, our flagship project is the Himal Kasa or Bhamragarh project, which we conduct annually, and it is a medical and community service camp, which has been going on now for the last 35 years. Then we also have periodic blood donation camps in which the club collects about 1,500 to 2,000 units annually. Our club started the Nirmalaya collection during the Ganesh festival, and this was initiated in the year 2002 and has now become a massive effort with the authorities and several other organizations, social service organizations joining in this effort. Our skin bank, which was started 5 years ago, was transferred to the Government Medical College recently and is now being operated by them, with our support, of course. The Nagpur Walkathon, which is the premier sporting event of the city, was started in 2005, which was our Diamond Jubilee year, and was successfully conducted annually for the last 16 years, with participation ranging annually from 5 to 10,000 every year. Unfortunately, we had to take a break this year because of the prevailing COVID situation. Friends, in spite of the constraints during this year, because of the raging pandemic, the club has delivered human service during the migrant crisis last year, and we continue to tirelessly provide aid and help in the ongoing second wave. The Rotary Club of Nagpur has stood the test of time in an exemplary manner so far, and we hope to continue the good work in the coming years as well. At the same time, developing strong bonds of fellowship and friendship, not only amongst our members, but with the rest of the Rotary fraternity and also with society. Thank you.